American toy shop owner Joe Novak is bracing for an uncertain future, as the Trump administration clarified that tariffs against Chinese goods are higher than initially understood. Beijing will pay a 125% tariff, on top of the 20% imposed last year, subjecting imports to the US to a total levy of 145%. And American consumers are ultimately expected to pay the price.
So as you can tell by tariffs affecting China predominantly right now, as well as some Southeast Asia, a tariff of 20, 40, 50, they keep going up, 80, 100%, is going to definitely affect the cost of the toys.
Thanks.
After announcing sweeping global tariffs last week, US President Donald Trump has paused the policy for 90 days for all countries except China. That's after China retaliated, applying levies of 84% to goods imported from the US. But President Trump says he still wants to make a deal with Beijing.
I have great respect for President Xi. He's been, in a true sense, he's been a friend of mine for a long period of time. And I think that we'll end up working out something that's very good for both countries. I look forward to it.
China claims they are open to dialogue, but only if it's based on mutual respect. As the trade war between the world's two biggest economies continues to escalate, the impacts are being felt on the stock market. After rallying in their previous session, much of Wall Street's gains were wiped out overnight. The exchanges in Asia and Australia have also plunged. Financial experts say if the tariff policy remains, so will the uncertainty.
There is one bit of signal this market is sending to the president, and really to one man, the president himself. We do not like this tariff strategy. Every bit of news can be linked back to a tweet or a direct policy item that came out, which was tariff related.
Trump has conceded there will be initial difficulties, but remains adamant Americans must stay focused on his end goal: boosting manufacturing in the US and in turn creating more jobs. The US president claims more than 70 countries are looking to negotiate a deal, now including the European Union, which has halted planned retaliatory measures.
We want to negotiate. We want to talk. We appreciate that you have brought this pause on so-called reciprocal tariffs, and we in turn are now pausing our proposed countermeasures.
Trump's aides say negotiations are going well, with over a dozen deals already being offered to the United States Trade Representative.
USTR has informed us that there are maybe 15 countries now that have made explicit offers that we're studying and considering and deciding whether they're good enough to present to the president.
Despite being one of the US's main trading partners, China is not among the countries lining up to negotiate, saying they refuse to bow to pressure, blackmail and threats, leaving the trade war between these two economic powers escalating and likely to impact global growth. Dolphine, Chen and Rosie Grenenger for TaiwanPlus.